Today I'm going to show you this Arm and Hammer deal. This is $6.17 only with a coupon. So I have a link in the video description and in the first comment. Click on that link, that'll bring you to Amazon, and then make sure there's a checkbox right here right here you make sure you check that checkbox and apply the $2.84 coupon, and make sure you are clicking the subscribe and save option here. Don't worry about the subscription, you can cancel anytime. I usually just put a reminder right before the next delivery date to cancel, and you'll be fine. Amazon never really care about penalizing anybody for canceling anything like that. I've have subscription after subscription and canceled many times. Nothing ever happens. So let's do the math here real quick to show you what a great deal this is. So basically at $9.01 subtracted by $2.84, we come up to $6.17 for 107 load. So $6.17 divided by 107 load come up to be about 6 cents per load. That is cheap. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you buy this Arm & Hammer. You can buy multiple quantity and stock up. I would. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more amazing deals.